morning, guys. We're going to work now, but still early. It is now 10 o'clock, and my duty will start at 12 o'clock. 2 hours more. Oh, there's one electric bike in their car. Woolworth is still closed. I am supposed to buy a coffee and cross bond, but they are still closed.
What is it?
Abrodero.
What do you do? I'll write it down.
Yeah, I will drive around here.
Put him in your YouTube.
No, he's
Film
a
him.
YouTuber.
Huh?
What GoPro is that?
Hero 7.
What's your YouTube?
Abrodero.
How do you spell it?
Abroa.
Yeah, I know, I've been on it. What do you do?
Yeah.
Yeah, he goes in that.
Just walking around here
Yeah.
and showing the place.
And showing.
Abrodero, ERO. Abroadero.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, film him do a trick over the stairs.
Oh, really?
Go down.
That was so good. Amazing. Yeah, I like it like this. So much people today. Very good. We're going first to buy cappuccino in there, and then something to eat while walking to work. Yeah, if you happen to be here in Nelson Bay and you want to roam around the area, you can rent the bicycle and you're going to see a lot of places. Nice. We're going to buy a cappuccino here, takeaway. But I think that I'm going to need to wait for a long time, so we check in here. Yeah, they are also busy, so we get back there. Yeah, we end up here. It's good. There's no line, just me. And we got this cappuccino. And yeah, we're going now. Yeah, nice. I'm happy to see a lot of people. Yeah, so good. Good morning. And as I was walking on the street in the center, there are a group of friendly Australian kids. Yeah, they talk to me. And yeah, one of them recognized me actually. Yeah, he tells a story to the other kids that they see me in YouTube, and yeah, they said they can be in the video. I said yeah, sure. And one of the small kid, he did like a stunt, yeah, riding in his skateboard. No, skateboard, scooter. Oh, there are family down there, and it's really nice. Good morning. Look at that. Look at them. Nice. And wherever you look, there is always a beautiful scenery. People always add beauty to environment, but some of them also destroys the environment. I don't know if this staircase is a private one, but I think it's public. Yeah, I think this is public. I'm not really sure. We're going to explore that next time. Whatever it takes, all how much I breaks, I will be right here waiting. Nice. Yeah, a lot of bikers also. Wherever you look, there are bikers, or you see some bikes just around. I don't know if you can see, but there is one biker is going uphill. And yeah, I've seen a lot of people who are going uphill there. I think their bike is expensive kind of bike, Look at this. They are going to have a small celebration here. Yeah, I stepped by there because I changed the battery of this camera. Yeah, we'll be just sitting down here because yeah, I still have 35 or 40 minutes before my duty, and we're just going to have a time lapse of this view. Good evening, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. It's already 10:25, and I have this. So basically, this is a new electric bike from San Mono. Yeah, it's still early, 10:25, so I'm going to assemble it now by myself. I'm very excited. So the first thing is this. This is basically a pannier, a bag, and this is the seat. Maybe this is the battery and other electronics items. Oh yeah. So basically this is the disc brake, the pedal, the bell, yeah, reflector, white, and bell. So basically this is how it is inside here. So basically, if you buy a new electric bike, it will come in a box, and inside it is already partially assembled, as you can see. Yes, so basically as this, especially the wirings, the electricals. This brake, I don't know how to attach this one. I think it's good. All I need to put the the other small things, but basically it's already ready.